All right, hello and welcome. Brett here with clickmill.co. In this video, I'm going to be showing you Sitemaps. So let me go ahead and share my screen with you here. All right, and so you'll see I've already come down to the Sitemap tab. So we went from video page to Sitemap, and you'll see we've got some sitemaps. Now, you have some sort of sub-sitemaps here. I have post sitemap, author sitemap, as we've already seen, category sitemaps, page sitemap. So those are the pages. I have 53 pages on the website. So a home page, about page, and then service pages. And then we have this sitemap, and this doesn't specifically say, this says index. This is all of the additional course pages. And frankly, I don't even want this on here, but Google keeps finding it. So it's just here. If I could just index these pages, I'd be happy with that, because this is just a lot of stuff for Google to crawl that I wished it wouldn't waste its resources on. But it likes to do that apparently. So it's here. Okay. Now we're not going to go over how to create a sitemap, because that is a totally different video for more of like a web design course, but I will tell you how to usually find a sitemap. And I've got our sitemap pulled up here, and all you have to do is go to the URL of your client site and type in sitemap-xml, or excuse me, site. So I guess in this case, sitemap index XML, that actually rerouted. What you usually do is you just go to sitemap.xml and it pulls it up. You can see it actually redirected us, and now it's there. So anyway, sitemap.xml or sitemap_index.xml should work. But you'll see here, we've got a post sitemap, a page, a forum, a topic. We got all these things. So let me go in here. We'll just click on the posts, and then you'll see a URL of every single post on the website. So search engines like Google, Bing, Baidu, Yahoo, DuckDuckGo, whatever, all of them, Perplexity, they can come in here and immediately know where all of your pages are, instead of coming into your homepage and saying, well, wait, oh, this is all the page. Oh, okay, well, you didn't link to all your pages, so I couldn't find all the pages, and you got home, about, contact, and sign up today. And you got 4 pages on there because that's all the links you had. So this creates an easy access file for search engines to find you. And that's the first thing you really want to do when you get a new client, is come in here, type in your sitemap, https://clickmill.co/sitemap.xml, drop it in. Again, just copy that from the URL in the search engine. Don't try to type it yourself, and drop that in. And Google's just going to come in and crawl the whole website. All right. So this is sitemaps. Now, you can go in here, say, and find problems. Now, I already know, you guys know, a lot of these issues are because, quote unquote, what appear to be issues. But when you come in here, you can identify a lot of these issues by going to see page indexing, or if they're video pages, see video page indexing. And you can see the categories within the sitemap of this. So, authors, achievements, categories, forums, products, categories, other things. These aren't pages I want indexed. I'm glad these aren't indexed. So this is actually a good thing. And frankly, if I could delete it, I would. But I can go here to see page indexing, and I'm going to look at that sub sitemap. And what's interesting here, this can't be correct. This is the whole what? No, that is 1,000 pages. Okay. So we have 200 pages indexed. I'm actually interested to know what pages are indexed, because I don't really want all of these course pages indexed. And it comes in here, and it's a bunch of course pages. So these I might actually want to ask Google to remove under removals, because I don't, can people access these? Yes. And also, it's just going to redirect them to a sales page. So, I guess that's okay, but it's not really ideal either, because I'm just getting them hit with redirects, and Google doesn't always like that. So anyway, this is sitemaps. In the next video, we're going to go over removals. We'll see you there.